I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a safe workspace. Create a child theme and enable a staging site so you can test without breaking production. Next, confirm the responsive viewport meta tag is present because that controls scaling on mobile. Once done, open your browser inspector and mobile device simulator to view breakpoints in real time. Make sure to have FTP or file access ready for CSS edits. This gets you into the first actionable steps, editing CSS variables and the theme's layout files. You now implement the core responsive rules. Swap fixed pixels for fluid units like %, VW, and rem so elements scale naturally. Then add CSS media queries at key breakpoints, mobile, tablet, and desktop, so layout shifts are controlled at 320, 768, and 1024 pixels. Once done, optimize images with src set and sizes attributes, plus lazy loading to reduce data on small screens. Make sure to test menus, headers, and content blocks. You finish by validating responsiveness across real devices and different browsers. This catches quirks the simulator missed. Then use the WordPress customizer or block editor to make final spacing and typography tweaks so everything looks cohesive. Once complete, run performance checks, images, fonts, and third-party scripts, and optimize. If something breaks, revert the last child theme change and debug step by step. Inspect computed styles and console errors. A single troubleshooting tip: isolate the faulty CSS rule by disabling blocks until you find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.